It's time to stop decorating with lake views and start living one. What truly sets this property apart is this amazing lake view here at Lake Wildwood. You have so many different amenities here at the lake. You can bring your boat, your golf, your appetite here with wonderful restaurants. They have swimming, pickleball, tennis. Bring it all in this beautiful community here at Lake Wildwood. Living in Lake Wildwood means being part of one of the most beautiful gated communities in the area. You're surrounded by nature at the base of the Sierra foothills with lake views, peaceful scenery, and sense of privacy that's hard to find. At the same time, you have incredible amenities just steps away, including the lake, tennis courts, the private golf course, and wonderful restaurants. What you love about this home as well is the cathedral wood ceilings with this open floor plan that everybody wants. But everyone cannot get that view unless you call me today. And welcome into this kitchen where you can cook, entertain, watch your guests, and watch the view at the same time. Inside, it gets even better with a grand primary suite and a beautiful finishes that bring the home together. Hey, thank you so much for touring this home with me today. Eric Hatcher with Century 21. If you want a personal visit, give me a call. Love to show it to you.
You run and you're cold.